On this week's episode, Mrs. Filthy does a review of Parklands campsite just outside of Kenilworth. She also takes you through some of the highlights of the local area, and then make sure you hang around for a world premiere, along with some previews of upcoming videos. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
Okay, when I finish this jingle for Matt and Leisa's YouTube channel, the light will come on. It's because I'm such a great singer. Who's looking for adventure? Adventure.
Hi everyone, we're just packing up from 4 days and 3 nights of camping at the Parklands campground here at Kenilworth. It's actually a working cattle station which they've actually set aside their paddocks alongside the Merry River for campers. They do cap their numbers at 300, and while we were here there was probably about 120 people here. I think with 300 people it probably would be a little bit squishy. The 100 was quite a good number. We're obviously self-sufficient, so we actually brought along our Julka hot water system and our toilet as well. So we had that set up behind our camper, but those that were camping with us didn't have those amenities, so they actually used the amenities here on site. I tell you what, there is so many toilets here. You are never short of a toilet. They are porta potties, but everyone came back from the porta potties saying how clean they were, and we witnessed the employees of the property cleaning the toilets twice a day. So they are really on point if that's very important to you. Also, members of our camping group use the showers here. They are $1 for 3 minutes, and everyone said, great pressure, enough time, and you get your showers done within those 3 minutes. And everyone was really happy with the cleanliness of the shower block as well. The campground is dog friendly, so we brought our dogs. This was probably the only disappointment about the whole place. We're very strict with our dogs, and the rules were have your dogs on a leash. Unfortunately, we had several dogs come through our campsite, which is a bit disappointing. You know, we weren't very happy with that, but I suppose that's camping. But there's plenty of space that you can run your dogs around, and of course they're allowed to swim in the Merry River, which is fantastic. Being alongside Merry River, you get to see so much wildlife. We were so lucky to see platypus both in the evening and in the morning, and it was just fantastic seeing them swim and feed, and we even saw them go back into their burrow, so that was great. And this place, Kenilworth, is known for its black cockatoos. So even though we didn't see the black cockatoos, we could hear them, and there's plenty of bird life around. And you head off into the forest and you hear the whipbirds and the bellbirds. In fact, sitting here at camp, you can actually hear the whipbirds in the background, and there's eastern rosellas. So it's pretty cool. Even I think there was kites in the air yesterday, and I saw a kingfisher yesterday morning. So we came up to Kenilworth for Matt's birthday, and what we decided to do was turn it into a bit of a four-wheel driving camping weekend with friends. So there's plenty of four-wheel drive tracks around here. There's also the great walk that goes through the area, and that goes along some really pretty creeks, and we went to a waterfall this morning that no doubt Matt will put up in another video. But it's a really pretty place. We couldn't explore the forest fully because there was a motocross event on, but if you're into motocross, into horse riding, hiking, mountain biking, that's all here in the forest that you can do. And if you're into none of that, the little shops in Kenilworth are so worth coming to explore. There's the Kenilworth Dairy, which is a great place for lunch. There's the bakery that's famous for its kilo jam donuts and kilo sausage rolls, but honestly it's a lovely bakery. There's other little cafes that we didn't get to explore, and there's little quirky shops that are, you know, we picked up some stuff for the dogs and other things as well, some really nice clothes. So it's a really nice, quaint country town that's got a lot on offer. And the best thing as well, it's also dog friendly. A lot of the cafes allow you to have your dogs sitting with you while you eat, which is just fantastic. So as of July 2023, the camping fees here are $20 per person for a Friday and Saturday night, and from Sunday through to Thursday it's $15 per person. So, does Filthy Jeep Adventures recommend this campground? We certainly do. We actually highly recommend it, particularly if you do have kids and dogs. We found it clean, we found it well maintained, and we found the people who run the place really, really friendly, and with so much to do in the area, it really makes for a great weekend, and we really did have a great weekend up here. So do yourself a favour, get yourself along up to Kenilworth, stay at one of the campgrounds up here, and this is the one we recommend, Parklands Camping Kenilworth. So we've got to finish packing down now, so we'll catch you in the next video.
Okay, when I finish this jingle for Matt and Leisa's YouTube channel, the light will come on. It's because I'm such a great singer. Who's looking for adventure? Adventure before dementia. Follow Matt and Leisa on Filthy Jeep Adventures.